Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding what the QR will deliver and why. A URL to a video versus a plain message changes choices. Once done, open a reliable QR generator and select static versus dynamic depending on whether you need future edits. Make sure to choose file type now, PNG for email or SVG/PDF for crisp print. Start entering your content and name the file clearly so later steps don't slow you down. Now you customize the look while preserving scannability. Raise error correction to Q or H if you plan to add a logo so the code still reads. This trades space for robustness. Once the level is set, choose dark foreground and light background to maintain contrast. If you add an icon, keep it within the center safe zone and reduce its size. This prevents data loss. Finally, set pixel dimensions suitable for your final medium so the code will scan reliably. Finish by exporting the QR in the chosen format and resolution. Use 300 dpi for printed cards and scalable SVG for large prints. Once exported, place it into your birthday card or digital invite and make sure the printed size meets minimum scanning guidelines. Test the code with multiple phones and apps to confirm it opens the intended content. If a scan fails, increase contrast, raise error correction, or enlarge the code. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.